All right guys, so we're about to do a frost installation. Let me show you some of the tools we're gonna use today. So most importantly, you're gonna have a squeegee. This is a Sorbo 3x4. It's one of my favorite ones. I use this a lot. Secondly, you're gonna need a Triumph blade. So this is an angled Triumph blade with a stainless steel blade. This is softer than the glass, works great at removing contamination. I've got it in a little holster right here. Then you're gonna need a mounting squeegee. This is called a flat out. This is made by Fusion Tools. It is a medium 6 hard, great for frosted films. I like using the orange crush to actually tack my film, get it in place, and it's easy, and I can just stick it somewhere. You'll need a tape measure to get your spacing right, and you need a glass pen to mark your glass. This is just easily removed. I got these off of Amazon. We make these. This is a drywall putty. So I just cut it, bevel the edges, smoothen it out with some sandpaper so it doesn't cut up my film, and that's what I use to actually trim the edges. You certainly need an Olfa blade, just so you know. And then I like using a hard card. This is just a standard white hard card. I use this to bump the edges. Paper towels, of course. I mount them on this, makes it a lot easier. Now you can use a spray bottle. I like using a pressurized system, just makes it much more convenient when you're doing larger jobs. And that's it.